everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Alright guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 27th to the 31st of July 2026 on Monday. Lazarus identified the perfect sacrifice as the pressure on Zondo Tech reaches boiling point. Tumeka's decision to open her home creates fresh division inside the Mabandla family, and as Azande's celebrations begins, someone else will start falling apart on Tuesday. Sydney's searches for answers lead him closer to betraying the wrong man. Zethu's emotional decision reopen wounds the Mabandla are desperate to heal. And as the Mgidi celebration begins, a devastating accusation changes the course of the war on Wednesday. Mawethu's world begins to crumble as suspicions turn into public humiliation. A simple disagreement over Zethu's pregnancy exposes deeper wounds within the Mabandla home. And as one family prepares to celebrate new life, another move quietly shifts the balance of power forever on Thursday. Lwandle finally discovers the devastating price of choosing revenge of a family and just how ruthless Zolega and Lazarus can be to an enemy. Zethu makes a heartbreaking decision before love turns into resentment. And just when Kusela's victory seems complete, one shocking revelation changes the game on Friday. As the Ngcukana celebrates Azande's trumpet return to manhood, another family is torn apart by betrayal. Mawethu finally confront the truth that has been hiding in plain sight, and when proof lands in Sydney's hand, nothing will ever be the same again. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.